Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you about the toothache. Toothache can occur for many reasons, from a popcorn hull stuck in your gums to broken tooth to a bacterial infection. Temporary gum irritation can cause some toothaches, but serious toothaches need professional treatments. Question is that what causes a toothache? There are many reasons why people develop tooth pain. Possible toothache causes include like cavity, abscessed tooth, cracked tooth, or damaged dental restoration, teeth grinding or clenching, or gum disease. How long does a toothache last? There is no way to know how long your toothache will last. It depends on the underlying cause. For instance, if you have temporary gum irritation, it should go away on its own in a day or 2 days. But if you have a cavity or abscesses, the pain may come and go somewhat, but it won't go away completely. Take when you go to the dentist, they perform an examination, like they just take dental x-ray to see if there are any issue going on beneath your gums. Dentist will give you antibiotics. Actually, for toothache, medicine is always like antibiotic or pain reliever can ease toothache symptoms, but their some effects are temporary. Even an infection goes away after you take an antibiotic. It will come back unless you treat the underlying issues. If you have a small cavity or if a small piece of your tooth has broken off, your dentist will probably recommend a gentle filling. During this procedure, you will remove any damaged portion of your tooth and then fill it in the void with a strong dental filling material. On the other hand, if you have a larger cavity or fracture, you may require to do dental crown. This tooth shape cap fits over your entire tooth, strengthening it and reducing the risk of the further damages. Sometimes you can choose inlays or onlays for your cavity, like your cavity or a crack is too big for a filling but not large enough to warrant a crown. In these instances, your dentist may recommend an inlay or onlay. This type of custom is like ceramic restoration, fits into your tooth like a tiny puzzle piece. There is one another treatment also, which is called root canal therapy. If bacteria from a cavity or crack invade your tooth pulp, you will need a root canal. This procedure removes inflamed nervous blood and vessels and connective tissues from inside your tooth. Next, your dentist will clean the inside tooth surfaces, then fill with your pulp chamber and root canal with the filling materials. One more treatment for your tooth cavity, like tooth extraction. Most dentists prefer to save natural teeth when they can, but sometimes it's not possible. If your tooth is badly damaged, you may need a tooth extraction. During this procedure, your dentist will carefully remove your tooth from its socket and clean out any infection. On the other hand, you can use some home remedies for toothaches, like mild toothache relief. But if you have tooth pain that doesn't go away, you will need to see to the dentist for the treatment. If you have mild pain, there are few toothache remedies you can do that, and at home you can try at home. One is salt water. Salt is natural disinfectant. Rinsing with warm salt water rinse can reduce inflammation, heal wounds in your mouth, and offer toothache pain relief. Two is hydrogen peroxide. Rinse with hydrogen peroxide can also ease tooth pain and inflammation. It helps healing bleeding gums too. If you have a history of gum diseases, this might be good step to try. Three is ice packs. Applying ice to the affected area helps shrink blood vessels and reduce pain and inflammation. You can wrap a bag of ice or frozen veggies in a clean towel and then hold it against your outside jaw. And now I'm sharing some tips for to prevent you from your toothaches, like reduce the risk of toothache, like brush your teeth twice a day or 3 times a day. And number two is floss between your teeth once a day. Number three is use an antibacterial mouthwash twice a day. Number four, limit your intake of sugary foods. Like my video about toothache is sometimes it causes treatment and prevention, so must like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.